Yeah, AC off because you never know when you're gonna race somebody, even in a Jeep.
Make it there first.
I can't wait until every car has that like auto shut off at red lights. Because as soon as light goes green, you're gonna hear 500 cars just all turn on.
He's gonna hear a bunch of starters.
This guy's gonna, no way.
Is he gonna do it? Oh, look at another Tesla Model 3.
He's gonna do it.
He did it!
He made it! Code.
Oh! Mommy! Type. That's coming up.
Ready? Boom. Got you.
I like that. I'm waiting for half to. Oh, beep beep, fuck you. I guess the sidewalk isn't good enough for people. What? Who the fuck was backing up?
Blind spot. I swear to God, the wind blows a certain direction. It's like beep, beep.
You basically just gotta go. Yeah, that's right. What the fuck are you looking at? Is that how I turn? Is it raining?
It's raining. Thank God if it's raining.
No, if it's raining, just... It's raining, one drop of rain, it's raining. I forget how to drive. Gear shifter who?
I read you this.
I do not know. Ah! Go, 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 go. Floor it.
Honk.
Is it? No, that's not a Hellcat, is it? Oh, it's a Daytona edition, that's why. I like the color on it though. Oh, look at that fluster cuck up there. So, welcome. We're looking for a parking spot. Ah! I'm actually gonna go to one. Why is this the sixth one?
Is it a push?
Is it a push door? No.
No.
Great, cool. Four. It's the fourth floor. Oh, look at that, 3. Oh. Oh. What is this?
Alright, what's going on, guys? Sorry to cut you off. I don't even think I explained at all what we were doing. Me and Aaron, we went to this hotel. We just went there for something job related, and then after that we decided just to mess around, just trying to explain why we were even there in the first place. So yeah, back to the video.
Let's go find Let's
Yeah.
go to the very top.
Yeah, we did what we had to do, so
Alright, let's go to the very top.
let's go. We're going to the very top. I know it's a car channel, but sometimes, man, you just...
When you have no content, you feel like shit, you feel like impossible.
Number 5. Oh. Oh, yeah. Feels haunted.
What the fuck is this place? Oh. What's up?
Hit every floor. No. No.
Actually, where this floor is. Food's ready. Food's ready. Oh, what? Yo. You should push open my door. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
The Bugatti Veyron of elevators.
It's what's hit rev limiter.
Blows up. Oh, actually, we don't want that. Oh, we're already... What's up there?
The roof.
There's no roof access.
You can go to the roof on the ship.
Thank you. Oh, no. I don't know.
We should send the GoPro up and bring it back down so we can wait out.
Yeah, it's not how that works.
Fuck! No! Fucking come at me, little bitch. Go ahead, fucking shoulder check me next time, bitch. Fuck you up! Ah!
I swear we're above, like up a level. Wait. Lost my car.
Try it.
It only worked over here.
Try it now.
Yep. Yeah, it's up there.
Oh!
We're back. What?
Exit level 3. You're joking.
Wait, so I have to go up?
Yep.
Well,
So, parking garages are gay. Let's do not exit there. So I guess we're not exiting there. Why does this sound good?
I know, it actually sounds good.
Actually sounds like oddly good. Damn. Hey, I think your door's open. There you go.
Hey!
Fucking drive, the gas pedal's on the right. Fucking go. Oh, so you're paying for my parking.
It's alright, I didn't want to go in there anyway.
Yeah, nope, didn't want to go anyways. Fuck it, you know, just fuck me, right? Thank you. You were a gentleman. I appreciate you. I like that.
I respect that.
We greatly appreciate go, 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 go.
Thank you!
Thanks again. Continuously thanking them because like everybody else is being douchebags. Yeah. Do not trespass, but I did it all the fucking time.
You need to go left.
And then just go left, yeah. It's better after like a nice fresh rainfall because then all the puddles are like filled. That's what I did with my first time through here with my truck. Okay, go left. Just left, just dart across.
Really?
Yeah. Keep on straight. Actually, you could just go through there.
Where's that go?
Holy shit, I've never realized how fucking deep that was. No wonder I almost got stuck once.
This thing has terrible, like it's decent front clearance for like a daily driver, but for off-roading it's terrible.
No, nah.
This thing is not very good.
Oh, God.
That didn't feel good.
That did not feel good. Bird. That was fun. Just go, you'll be
No,
fine.
there's a noise. I don't see anything.
There's a mirror there. Alright, well, good try.
I just don't know what that was.
I know, it didn't exactly sound good, per se.
No.
See, give us a nice thumbs up.
Yeah, I really badly want a Mustang GT. Like, it's gonna be my project daily. And like, either centrifugal super. I want it to be reliable but fast. And I'm gonna take it to the drag strip and whatever. Hopefully, it should be like the end of the month or by the time school starts. So I plan to go up to Toronto and go on their track at least once this year.
That'd be cool.
There
I
you
know,
go.
that'd be super.
Goodbye! Nice! With one hand. So Aaron's gone. We did what we had to do, and the Jeep is here. It's a little dirty. It's a little dirtier than when it left. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely hit the subscribe button. You're not gonna wanna miss the content coming here to the channel soon. So with all that said, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Have a good one.